Make it know that dog me tonight. Joanna, you're busy, boy.
Pick up the phone, dial the number you can't reach, and that's your brother don't check on me like me. Growing up, all we had was a like me.
Cousin. Hey girl, what's up? And if you're new here and you're not my cousin, welcome. So y'all look, y'all see that color? I didn't do that. It came like that. It came like that. That's a blessing. Oh. So y'all look, this wig did come this 99J color already. Perfectly dyed. And the texture was amazing. Right? Boom, 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 all that. But tell me why I had the nerve to try to bleach these knots. Y'all see them knots? So, take it from me, do not try to bleach your pre-colored wig knots. Well, maybe on a color, I guess. Don't try to bleach your pre-colored wig knots, because like after I tried to bleach, let me tell y'all what happened. Okay, look y'all. What had happened was I put the bleach on. Girl, get it together. So I put the bleach on the knots, and guess what I did? Guess what you think? Yeah, I went to sleep. I went to sleep. I did. Yeah. So I went to sleep and I woke up. I thought it was okay until I started washing it out and that hair was coming out on my hands. Yeah. Don't bleach your knots, okay? On the pre-colored wig. That's why I'm here to make mistakes for y'all. Y'all know that. Y'all know that already. So yeah, I'm here to make my mistakes for y'all, so y'all know what not to do. Don't bleach your knots on a pre-colored wig. That's why my hairline look like that, because that hair was just coming out of everywhere. But thankfully, I was already about to do this side bang swoop hairstyle. I already had that planned out to do anyways. So that didn't break us. We was already about to finesse some. So that came with the save anyways. Like, look at them knots. I mean, I like the bleached look though, but the only thing is it made my hair like come out of my wig. So yeah, the style I'm doing today is a side swoop bang. Yeah, I really like this hairstyle. It's pretty simple, pretty sleek. You need a lot of wax stick for this, honey. Before I even tinted the lace or anything like that, I cut the lace off because I already knew I really wasn't gonna need like a melted look, because I knew the soup would like cover up most of the lace anyways. But I did end up putting makeup on it to like tint it, like see, like you can barely see it, but the only part that you really need to work on is this side part over here where your part is. Yeah, so you can have a little sideburn, little swoopy whoop over there, little baby hairs. That's it, that's all. This install was pretty quick, pretty easy. I really like this wig. I love the color that it came. when I keep my hair up long, I still use. She giving, don't mind that little track right there, I'm gonna cover it up, but is she giving like at the scalp or what? Don't hate, yes, this my hair, yeah, because she's giving very much out the scalp. Hold up. Yeah, now we're gonna blow dry that. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video, this install. It was very simple, quick, and easy. The color is super bomb. Like, if you want to be lazy and don't feel like coloring your own wig, just get this wig, because it's gonna make everything so simple. So at the end of the day, y'all already know your cousin came with the finesse. Mish, we up 100, you know, because we always come with the finesse. Like, there's no wig out there, there's no fail out there that can stand a chance with being Mish, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we came with the finesse, with the save. At the end of the day, this wig gave what it was supposed to give. The only thing with this install, guys, is that Big Mish, is that your cousin decided she wanted to keep 4 big fat braids in her head. So that's why she giving very much Humpty Dumpty. She giving very much helmet. But other than that, bomb install, bomb hair, bomb color, bomb finesse. You know how we do. Look at that. Stop playing. Oh, okay, yeah, okay. Yeah. See y'all in the next video. But I can't see y'all in the next video if you're not subscribed, right? Right. Stay tuned for the finishing look.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's true, indeed. I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is one in a million. You goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, baby, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare.